US tech giants are doubling down on AI. While Silicon Valley spends big, China is firing back with a wave of powerful open source models. Multimodal, real-time, and completely free. Could this shift the balance of AI power? US tech giants are facing fresh competition from China. Nvidia just pledged a staggering $100 billion to OpenAI's data centers, but Alibaba stole the spotlight with Qwen3-Omni, a powerful new open-source AI. Qwen3-Omni is fully free under Apache 2 and unifies text, image, audio, and video input in one model, while outputting both text and speech in real time. It comes in 3 versions: Instruct for broad multimodal tasks, Thinking for deep reasoning, and Captioner for audio understanding, making it flexible for developers and enterprises alike. With state-of-the-art benchmark scores and wide language support, Qwen3-Omni could mark a turning point. Multimodal AI that's open, fast, and ready for real-world use. Meituan, China's super app, has launched the open-source LLMs Long-Cat Flash and Long-Cat Flash Thinking. The latter specialized for advanced reasoning and complex problem-solving. Both models are freely available via API, Hugging Face, or GitHub, offering enterprise-ready performance rivaling GPT-5. While reducing token usage and boosting efficiency, together they form an accessible, MIT-licensed ecosystem for research, deployment, and AI-driven enterprise applications. Qwen team has unveiled Qwen Image Edit 2509, the latest upgrade to their powerful image editing model. This new release brings more precision and creativity to AI-driven image editing. Compared to earlier versions, Qwen Image Edit 2509 is faster, more reliable, and better at handling detailed instructions, from subtle retouching and object removal to complex, multi-step edits. One standout feature is its improved context awareness, allowing it to understand entire scenes instead of just isolated elements. This means users can create professional-level edits with fewer prompts, making it ideal for designers, marketers, and everyday creators. Wan-animate is a new AI framework from Alibaba's Tongyi team that revolutionizes character animation and video editing. It features Move Mode to bring static images to life, and Mix Mode to replace characters while preserving expressions, motion, and lighting. Open-sourced under Apache 2 license, opening new doors for video production, animation, and user-generated content. Alibaba has also introduced Qwen3-VL, a powerful multimodal model designed to understand both text and images with high precision. Built as part of the Qwen3 family, Qwen3-VL combines advanced natural language processing with visual recognition, enabling it to analyze documents, charts, diagrams, and even real-world photos. It can handle tasks like image captioning, document parsing, and multimodal reasoning, making it highly versatile for industries from education to e-commerce. Experts see Qwen3-VL as a significant step towards seamless interaction between language and vision, positioning it as a strong contender in the global AI race. Alibaba also introduced Qwen3-TTS, Tongyi Fun, and Wan2.5 Preview. Qwen3-TTS, new text-to-speech model, is designed to be multi-timbre, multilingual, and multi-dialect for natural, expressive audio. It delivers strong performance in English and Chinese, ultra-fast with auto-tone adaptation. Tongyi Fun, Alibaba's enterprise-grade audio foundation model, powered by FunASR and FunCozy Voice. It advances voice AI beyond hearing and speaking to truly understand context, transcribe with high accuracy, and speak with natural expressiveness, even in complex enterprise environments. Wan2.5 Preview. It introduces native audio-visual synchronization, meaning voiceovers, sound effects, and background music are generated in step with the visuals, not stitched together as a separate layer. Multimodal integration. Users can feed in text, images, audio, or combinations thereof, and the model fuses them into coherent outputs. Native audio generation, dialogue, ambient soundscapes, and music can all emerge alongside the visuals. High-definition video output. Wan2.5 supports 1080p video, up to 10 seconds in length. Stronger prompt fidelity and stylistic control. The model is designed to better respect users' instructions on style, motion, composition, and audio cues, but unfortunately these three models are not open source, so we'll need to wait for future announcements. Kling AI, the Chinese generative video platform, has launched its 2.5 turbo upgrade, focusing on motion realism, prompt fidelity, and temporal coherence. The update promises cleaner, more consistent frames, faster rendering, and greater creative control, positioning it as a strong rival to models like VO3 and C-Dance. Okay, let's talk about West. Databricks just unveiled GEPA, Generative Evolutionary Prompt Adaptation, a breakthrough in prompt optimization that makes enterprise AI models up to 90x cheaper to run while boosting performance. Alongside this, a $100 million partnership with OpenAI now brings GPT-5 natively into Databricks, giving enterprises premium AI access without premium prices. Together, GEPA and the OpenAI deal mark a turning point in how businesses deploy and scale AI. OpenAI has introduced ChatGPT Pulse, a new feature that delivers personalized updates and proactive suggestions by pulling from your chats, memory, and connected apps like Google Calendar. Unlike the older manual Tasks tool, Pulse runs automatically, surfacing curated information such as meeting reminders or news updates. Currently in preview for pro users on mobile, Pulse represents OpenAI's push toward more intelligent, assistant-like agents that anticipate user needs. The company says it will refine the feature before expanding access to a wider audience. Perplexity AI has launched a new search API that gives developers real-time access to its massive web index, challenging Google's long-held dominance in search infrastructure. The API delivers citation-rich, AI-optimized results and subdocument precision, making it especially powerful for AI applications. With this move, Perplexity positions itself as a bold disruptor in the search industry. Meta has launched the agent's research environment, ARE, and its GAIA2 benchmark to evaluate AI agents in realistic, dynamic scenarios. ARE simulates real-world conditions with stateful apps, events, and asynchronous tasks, while GAIA2 measures how agents adapt, collaborate, and respond to changing environments. Early results show OpenAI's GPT-5 leading the benchmark, highlighting GAIA2's growing influence for enterprises testing agent performance. xAI has launched Grok 4 Fast, a streamlined, cost-efficient version of its flagship Grok 4 model, delivering near-frontier performance using 40% fewer reasoning tokens with a massive 2 million token context window, unified reasoning/non-reasoning modes, and tool use reinforcement learning. It's ideal for enterprises handling high-volume or high-context tasks. While compliance and behavioral consistency are still being tuned, Grok 4 Fast signals a new era of affordable, scalable frontier-level AI for real-world applications. Suno has launched its new V5 music model, promising sharper audio quality, faster performance, and more creative control, alongside Suno Studio, a generative DAW for multi-track editing and STEM export. But the release comes as the company faces legal battles with major record labels, who accuse it of illegally scraping copyrighted music to train its AI. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.